Hi guys, welcome back. So yesterday, the selling volume for EH was pretty scary, right? More than any other days. And then we compare to today's volume. It makes the massive sell-out volume of yesterday look like a kid. Wow, almost 70% up in one day, as high as $81. It was a very impressive rebound. That's gotta give a lesson to the short seller. All because they think it's so easy to short and they think everyone is like Luckin Coffee, right? This is the institutions showing them some colors. So the eHang's founder finally responded to the Wolfpack research allegations. To fight back one by one their false accused with proof that they do not understand at all the eHang's business and technology. To point out so many misunderstanding, misleading information, and the fact that they had almost no clue about the eHang's technology and lack of understanding of the business model of eHang and lack of understanding of the industry it's in. I specifically like how they started this Q&A with why did you start eHang? What is eHang's mission? Because if you have read anything about the founder or watched any of his interview, you would really know that he has such strong passion for his dream of this smart air transportation. It is very important to understand someone's intention, because when you have figured out someone's intention, then everything he does is just a reflection of his intention and his passion. That's why I think understanding someone's intention is more important than looking at someone's actions and his words. This is where you can know whether you can trust this person, this company. And this is where investors build our trust in this company. And once we know their intention from the beginning, that's when we can put our mind more at ease to know that creating fraud is just not one of the intentions. When someone's dream is obviously so much bigger than what we currently see. So seeing the short report from the Wolfpack research, that's so lack of vision, just makes me think that they really deserve the fight back today. It is very clear that there are a lot of institutions and retail investors that believe in eHang just as much as we do, who have such strong belief to catch the falling knives and loaded up the boat. So today, the upward momentum was so strong, so it first broke through the resistance of 53 and then broke through the resistance of 65. And now the next resistance is around 80. It was a lot of pressure to push upward, but the momentum was really strong. So for the coming days, we need to be prepared that it might come back test or consolidate before going back up again. We might need to be a bit more patient because this big red candlestick was a lot of pressure. So the market was not doing very well today. A lot of the stocks were down, as well as our other baby, LuoKung Technology, ticker symbol LKCO. It was down 26% today due to a share offering. Shares are trading lower after the company announced a roughly 48 million share common stock offering priced at 2.08 per share. So as I expected, they would frequently dilute shares to raise more funds. And I did say that every time they do that, it would drive down the share price, just like what it did today. And I did say that any kind of black swan news or share dilution to drive down the price, I would be happy to buy the dip. So that's why today, this morning, I have been buying LKCO at multiple prices from 2.2 to 2.09 to 2.06 and 2.03. And if it continue to drop more, I will continue to buy more. So on this Friday, they have released more shares and raised the fund of 5 million. And then On this day, they have raised 15 million at the cost of 0.88 per share. And today, they have raised a total of 100 million at 2.08. So we can see that today's share offer was really much bigger than before. And it's normal for it to be a little bit difficult to digest. It's a lot to sell to institutions all at once. And that's why we saw that at some point it has gone lower than 2.08 during the day. But the fact that the closing price can stay above 2.08 to be 2.2 and continue to grow after market to about 2.4, it is considered a good sign. It means the new shares has been selling very well. It means the institutions do want to invest in LuoKung technology. And after today, they have just raised 120 million cash. And for a company whose market cap is about only 589 million to own the cash of 120 million. Now that's quite a good deal. So right now we can be more at ease that LuoKung is cash sufficient. They can use the cash to enhance their team, to put more effort in R&D, and to continue acquiring the company with the right technology that they want. So this has really enhanced their fundamental, and it makes me feel more at ease holding it, other than the fact of the political risk. So today, in spite of the market being unstable, our LuoKung has also grew 18%. And it's because of the result from the internal investigation on the LuoKung CEO. In Battle Chinese coffee chain LuoKung Coffee said on Wednesday, its board had found no evidence of misconduct against the chief executive officer, Jingyi Guo, after a month-long investigation. So that is a good news about the CEO, and that's why it caused a jump today, and kind of clearing out some uncertainties of the internal of the company. And also Mesa had continued to run up. We had bought Mesa here a few weeks ago, and as of today, we are almost double on our investment already. It has met the price target of the short-term investment and not yet for the long-term investment. So you can decide whether you want to take profit or hold it longer. The run-up was kind of caused by the price target raise from $2 to $15 from the Bank of America. Now that's a 800% increase of price target. Very bullish. It just makes us feel more right to be confident about Mesa. So right now I'm holding my shares of Mesa, and I'm still holding part of the call options. I will hold it longer to see where Mesa can go. YQ is also up 5.8% today. It is back to my original buying position of 17 something, and then when it dropped to 13 to 14, I continue to average down. So right now I'm up more than 20%, but I will keep holding it. Another one of my holding was QuantumScape, ticker symbol QS. It had a nice run up of 31% today. Now, if you have watched my very first video on YouTube on this day, where it had a huge drop and everybody thought it was a scam or pump and dump, I said that I didn't think QuantumScape is a pump and dump stock. And also I thought the next catalyst might be when the institutions reveal their holding on QuantumScape, then people might start to believe that it's not a scam, it's not a pump and dump, and that might be the next catalyst. And until today, it did happen. And we did see that Soros takes new stakes in QuantumScape. The Soros fund managing takes new positions in QuantumScape at 3.32 million shares. I believe it's somewhere around 5% and not a light position. So it does help to drive the stock up, and it does help to add more credibility. And at this point, if you have no position in QuantumScape, I wouldn't recommend you to chase right now, but rather wait for any pullback or some signs of stability between 40 to 50, because it does have resistance ahead. And right now, I am still waiting for my JKS and my baby Neo to pop, especially JKS. Give it a bit more time and patience. One quick note is Huami. I keep saying, do not sleep on Huami. I do think they're planning on something big, so any pullback would be a good opportunity to open a position or to add. Any backtesting to 15 to 17 would be a safer entrance. And also Well Health, if you have not got in with me at 7 something, I think right now is not bad to start your position. This is a Canadian company, Well Health, and the US ticker symbol is WLYYF. If you want the in-depth analysis on this company, you can watch my previous video 2 weeks ago. I'll put the link here. One last thing is the ESE Entertainment. If you have watched my live show last Monday, I said that right now, I think it's good to buy ESE. It was 1.4 and now it's gone up to 2.4, about 70% increase in 1 week. And I think it still has more room to grow, but it's better to buy at a pullback. And for Go Health, I am still holding it. And I have a small position with this, so I can just be patient and not look at it. So that's it for today, guys. I just want to give you a quick update today. And if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a big like and write me a great comment. And I will see you tomorrow. That's it, guys. Hope you can find my video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give me a big like. Thank you.